In this video, you'll learn how to add a filter on Google Meet. We'll go step by step from joining your meeting to finding the effects panel to choosing and applying the filter that works best for you. By the end, you'll be able to quickly customize how you appear on camera without getting lost in the settings. Let's start at the very beginning, joining your meeting. Open Google Meet in your browser or the app and join the meeting the way you normally do. That might be by clicking a calendar invite, entering a meeting code, or using a direct link that was shared with you. Make sure that your camera is turned on or at least available because filters rely on video. If you see a preview of yourself before officially joining, that's a good sign that your camera is working correctly. Once you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom or side of your screen for the controls bar. This is where you usually see the microphone, camera, captions, and other options. Among these, you'll find an option called Effects. Depending on your device or version, it might look like a small sparkle or star icon or be labeled clearly as Effects. Click on that. When you open the effects panel, you'll see several categories, which may include things like backgrounds, blur, filters, and sometimes avatars or lighting adjustments. Since we're focusing on filters, look for the section specifically labeled filters. This area will show different styles you can use on your video. Some might be subtle, like color toning, and others might be more playful or stylized. Now, move through the available filters and take your time previewing them. As you click on each filter, you should see a live preview of how it looks on your video feed. This preview is very useful because it lets you see the effect before everyone else in the meeting does. If you're in a professional setting, you might want to choose something more neutral and minimal. If you're in a casual or social meeting, you can experiment with more creative effects. When you've found a filter you like, simply click or tap it once to select it. At this point, the filter is applied to your camera feed. Most of the time, there's no separate save button. The effect takes place immediately. If the panel doesn't close automatically, you can manually close it by clicking the close icon or anywhere outside the panel, and you'll return to the main meeting view. Take a quick look at your own video tile in the meeting layout to confirm that the filter appears the way you expect. If it doesn't look quite right, you can reopen the effects panel at any time and either choose a different filter or turn filters off by selecting the option that removes effects or resets your appearance to the default view. Keep in mind that filters may use a bit more processing power, especially on older devices. If you notice any lag or performance issues, try switching to a simpler filter or disabling it altogether. That's all there is to it. You've joined your meeting, opened the effects panel, selected a filter, and applied it to your video. With these simple steps, you can personalize your appearance in Google Meet and adjust it quickly whenever you need to.